everyone, my name is Yael Saban, and today I'm going to be going over my final project submission as part of Harvard's CS50P Python course. Essentially, the aim in my project was to be a proof of concept to develop an automation with AI capabilities in order to fully handle the ticket issue handling slash case creation for issues coming from end users. In this case, we're simulating a CS50 IT help desk and their mailbox that would be receiving emails. And we'll go ahead and essentially send out an email over here where I as an end user, and I'll go ahead and send that email over with an issue about 99% RAM usage. So the automation aims to make sure, and I'll just go ahead and run this process over here. What it does is it keeps polling and looking into the mailbox and detecting any unread issues. So as of right now, there currently now is going to be an email detected, but prior to the email being received, it detected that there's zero. So once the email is detected, and if it detects that it's a new issue that just came in, it's going to go ahead and leverage OpenAI's API in order to assist with providing a solution. So right now we can see over here that an email has been detected over here, which is the one that was received, and it should be able to generate that response and send an email back over to the user. All right, so there is the response over from OpenAI, which is going to go ahead and draft that email and send over back to the user. And essentially, the way it works is once the user receives the email, the assumption is that they're going to use these steps in order to troubleshoot the issue. And if they don't have any issues, they're not going to respond. And if they still have any issues, they're going to go ahead and respond with their details. So if we go back over here to our email, you should see that the response has been generated. And let's say, for example, I'm still facing some issues. I'll go ahead and reply to automatically create a case over here. So I'll go ahead and fill that out here. And we'll go ahead and send that response back over. And in this case, it moved it to the AI response slash handled already. And now we're going to go ahead and wait for this email to come through. As of right now, there's nothing, which is why it's showing 0 items in the mailbox. Alright, so that reply has been detected. Let's see, the automation should detect that and then proceed with a response. Alright, so the ticket should be processed and it should be put in as part of the open cases that's going to be handled. And if we go back to our inbox, we should see that the final ticket has been created, and that's with 1053. And if I go ahead and reply thank you, the automation won't pick it up in this case, or it will pick it up and just simply move it to already handled. And that is my project and my final submission as part of Harvard CS50P's Python course. And thank you.